Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a Shopify website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and type here shopify.com. So first time you can start 14-day free trial. So click on here, and to start a free trial, enter your email address here. And enter your password and give here your store name. And it's available, and when it's available, click on create your store. And now fill up these three options here. And click on next. And now fill up this little form. Give here your first name, last name, address, city, postal code, phone number, and if you have your business or personal website, then you can attach them here. And if your store is a registered business, then you can enable this option. Then click on enter my store. So here we can see I've successfully created a store, and now let's see how to customize the store. So go to customize theme and click on customize theme. So right now here you can see no theme installed. So to install any theme, you can go to the free themes option, and from this list you can select any theme and click on add to theme library. And here you can see a new theme has been added, and now click on actions and select publish. And click on publish. So the theme has been published, and if you want to see your store or your website, then click on this little eye icon here. So here you can see my Shopify website, and to customize the website or theme, click on customize. And now here you will be able to customize your theme according to requirements. And go to home section, and from here you can add your domain, and you can add accept payments, or you can add shipping rates from here. And so if you're thinking to upgrade your Shopify plan, then click on select a plan, and here we can see 3 plan is available. So you can select any plan from this list to upgrade your Shopify store. So this is how we can create Shopify website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.